Hey everybody, so my dissection of a botched bush landing video generated a few questions in the comments that I wanted to address in this follow-up video. And one of the main questions that some people were asking is, why didn't I go around? That was a big thing I left out in the initial video, was the why. And what happened was I had planned and committed to a go around if I wasn't stopped at the top of that hill. That was my plan. However, as I crested the hill, that grove of trees that I had to avoid, it created the illusion as I crested that hill that that grove of trees suddenly became larger in my field of view faster than I would normally expect, as because of the illusion created as I crested the hill. And so that visual illusion triggered my brain to second guess that go around and commit to stopping the airplane. And then once I had committed to stopping the airplane, I was already too far along in that landing ground roll to attempt to go around in my mind. I had already slowed down, and I decided that I would rather roll slowly into the grove of trees rather than attempt a late go around, get flying, and then hit the trees. So I thought I might wreck the airplane, but I knew that I would be personally safe and not harm myself if I just committed to the ground roll and rolled into the trees, versus the alternative of being, 50 miles an hour, 40, 50 miles an hour and flying and then hitting the trees. So that illusion is why I decided suddenly to change my mind from go around mode to stopping mode. The other question people were asking is, why would I do a wheel landing, as in landing on my main wheels at a somewhat higher speed, versus landing in a full stall minimum speed touchdown with the stick all the way back, touching down on all three wheels at once. The latter technique, at least for me, lends itself to a shorter landing distance, which is nice. However, I will choose a wheel landing when I'm landing on a surface that I'm not fully familiar with. And so because nobody had landed here before, I wasn't 100% sure of what that surface was really going to be like. And my Shock Monster suspension system is so robust and can handle the shock of an uneven surface or a rough surface versus my tail wheel. And so it's much safer for me to roll it on the main wheels and have the Shock Monster suspension absorb that impact versus having the tail wheel do it. The other element is, since this was an uphill spot, naturally I wanted to carry a little extra speed to translate some of that energy into the uphill, because you're not landing on a flat surface. So you have to have enough energy left to go uphill for that touchdown, to transition to a short climb right before you touch down. Whereas if I had done a full stall, full stick back minimum speed touchdown, then you kind of pancake into the side of the hill. So needing extra speed to carry into that uphill, combined with the unknown of the surface condition, caused me to elect to do a wheel landing instead of the full stall 3-point touchdown. The other advantage of a wheel landing, where you carry a little extra speed and roll it onto the main wheels, is you have better visibility over the nose. And because this is a little more of an unknown spot, I elected also to have that extra visibility over the nose that the wheel landing was going to give me. Because in the 3-point pitch attitude in my airplane, I'm completely blind over the nose. I have to use my peripheral vision and the view to the sides. If I'm going to a spot that is short, smooth, and flat, I will usually elect to do the 3-point, the minimum speed, full stick back, minimum speed touchdown on all 3 wheels, because that's the slowest possible touchdown speed available. And a lot of times it'll end up being kind of a combination of that. You touch down all three wheels, bring the stick forward for visibility and braking, and you can get on your brakes while you can have a sense of what's in front of you. Those are the two main questions that people asked about the video. I hope that provides a little more clarification on especially the why I suddenly switched from go around mode into commit to land mode. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Lots more to come, so stay tuned. Eli, I'm right here, buddy. You wanna come say hi real quick? Hey, come say hi real quick. Come say hi, buddy. Hi? Come say hi. And this is Eli. And Eli just said, Dada, poo-poo. So, duty calls. Yeah, thanks for letting me make this little video, buddy. I appreciate it. Let's go get that poop. Ready? I know, sometimes I freeze up in front of the camera too. Yeah, let's go get that poo-poo.